back to the channel. Street Car Joe here.
I already feel it in my lungs. You get to focus on making food. Well, really, I'm not making it. Kev is out here. Oof. Boy, we got the Traeger. Got some chicken. About to make some tacos. Whoa, we living. Kev, I'm at the next year when I'm back to racing. I'm gonna have to invite you every time.
Dude, I'll cook all day.
Look at that. You're pretty good with your meat, man.
7 times a day, baby. If you know, you know. Shout out to my boy Ethan.
Ethan knows. Oh man, so we're gonna be cooking good today. So they're about to go on the cruise for one of the boosted street classes, and then Joe's running like the outlaw street class today. They don't have to do a cruise, so pretty good car count today. It's gonna be fun. Hey, put them in the groove, Eric.
Riding the good shit.
Probably the world's ugliest CM.
Fast and Furious.
2001.
Tell them run it on. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it on. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell them run it on. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me.
2.5 60 foot.
This guy was
in
on
a
the back
wheelie.
tire for the 330.
I was like, God damn, he's way out there. I'm like, oh, he's running out.
Yeah, I let off. I wasn't gonna fuck it up for that.
I hit 85. It went through it, but
I let out at 8,000 and I wasn't.
they didn't cut our
Good
fucking
job,
slips
you
up.
won fair and square.
That ain't-
I don't know, I like that side.
Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Man, that was a fun time at TJ's race. And hopefully you guys enjoyed all the racing content. Unfortunately, obviously, I wasn't there racing, but I was out there supporting Kevin. He was out racing, had a good time. And then obviously out there supporting Streetcar Joe. So if you guys are wondering, the class that Joe ran in, those guys are all 8th mile cars, mostly 8th mile cars, especially Joe's car. But unfortunately, with the class that they added, they're running quarter mile for that class. So really, Joe was just out there testing Friday night. And then he decided, since the car ran good, he would join in on Saturday's festivities, but he got knocked out first round to our good buddy Brandon, who owns Accelerated Racing Solutions in Dallas. Him and Tiana, they're good friends of ours. They actually sponsored Flashlight Shootout last year, and that's kind of how we met them. And they've become really good friends of ours. So, and then Brandon ended up racing our good buddy Clint, who owns True Street Motorsports, with these super, super badass Coyote swapped Fox bodies. So that car is really cool because it used to be a small block Ford, and now it's a Coyote swapped Fox body, single turbo methanol car, and it gets down. It's really fast. It's kind of like my dream build. I'd probably do a few things different here and there, but like that's like my dream Fox body right there. Someday people will get there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys made it this far in the video, I do want to talk about, if you're wondering why Joe lost, Joe had to let out, by the way. He doesn't have the gearing. He has like 411 gears in the back of that car right now, so he's definitely not cut out for quarter mile, and he didn't want to blow his stock block, so he let out after the 8th, and Brandon came around him. But anyways, if you've made it this far into the video, I do want to tell you guys, if you guys didn't know, Kevin and I run a race called the Flashlight Shootout, which is an 8th mile race. It's prepped, but it's on a flashlight start. Usually when you hear flashlight start, you think of like no prep, but we wanted to do like street racing style, but on a prep track because we like to go really fast and we like to watch really fast cars. So we created the Flashlight Shootout. I think this will be our 3rd year. I'm not sure how many events we've done. We haven't done that many. Like we've done, I think 4 total in Amarillo, and we did 1 in Dallas last year, which was like a big stretch for us because you know, we don't live in Dallas. We know a good amount of people there, but you know, bringing a lot of people to a track and to pay for a track is really expensive. So that was a big stretch for us, but we did it and we made it happen, and it was a freaking awesome time. And it was at XRP, and it was really cool. So this year, Kevin and I are gonna reach a little bit further, and we're gonna do a few more track events this year. So we're really excited. So I'm gonna tell you guys, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this because I want you guys to come out if you guys know people that wanna race. It is a super fun time, and there's some really, really stupid fast cars that come out. It's so much fun. But February 27th, will be Extreme Raceway Park. I was trying to think because last year's the 29th. This year's the 27th of February. It'll be Extreme Raceway Park in Ferris, Texas. And then May 1st, we just locked this one down. May 1st, Houston Motorsports Park, which is an 8th mile track in Houston. Not the track that they have TX2K at, which is Royal Purple, which is now called Houston Raceway, I think, or something. But Houston Motorsports Park, which is a badass 8th mile track down in Houston. That'll be May 1st. And then June 19th in Oklahoma City at Thunder Valley. And we're working on 2 more. So I'm really excited. We haven't posted the other dates, but if you guys made it this far in the video, I figured I'd tell you, give you a little update. But we are super excited to be expanding the Flashlight Shootout. It is a huge risk for Kevin and myself, but hopefully it'll pay off, and if not, it's gonna be fun either way, whatever. So, hopefully you guys can make it out to that. We'll obviously be out there, Streetcar Joe will be out there, Kevin will be out there, and it's always a super fun time. It's always stressful leading up, but the day of the race is always a fun time. And I'm telling you, at XRP last year, there were some stupid fast cars, and it's always a good time. So hopefully you guys can make it out to those, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video on the racing over the weekend. Streetcar Joe getting down with some other Mustangs. And I've got some huge updates coming for you guys finally on the tank stang, because look, well, the front end's over there, but the, man, I kind of just showed you a little peek of, oh well, the tank stang is out. So you guys will see, I've got some update videos coming on like some parts that came in, and then you guys will see the cars finally at, you already know whose garage. So got it over today there. That was a task in itself. But some huge updates finally coming on the tank stang. We're finally starting to work on it. We've got a bunch of parts in, and we're going to get rolling on it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at VANVORIS. Follow Streetcar Joe at Streetcar Joe. We'll see you guys on the next one.